Alright, well, back. The Jato rebuild. There it is. Complete. Completely put back together. Nice job. Got the aluminum up front. Aluminum in the back. Yeah, it's gonna look good. Got it all rebuilt. Rebuilt the shocks. Complete rebuild. Jato 3.3. After being wrecked, completely tore down, completely rebuilt, cleaned every square inch. It's like a brand new car. This is a 6 or 7 year old Jato right here. You never know it by looking at it. Looks good. Upgraded waterproof steering servo under there. I don't know if you can see the blue. Since it all got broken. That is the Jato 3.3. Been rebuilt. I'm sure you've seen the other video before what it looked like. It's ready to rock and roll now. Fast little car. You can see before there's G shocks, aftermarket pipe, steel drive, aftermarket brake, air filter. Both servos have been upgraded to the waterproofs. The bottom's upgraded T6 aluminum. Upgrade. Need to get a new body. It's a little damage from the wreck. Fixed it as much as I could. It'll work for a moment. There's cracks here and there, but we're ready. Alright, well, just wanted to come back and show you the Jato 3.3 complete. Completely rebuilt. Couple other projects. That's a slash. Rebuilt. Took that one apart. I'll do that in another video. T-Max, etc. Anyway, Jato 3.3 complete. Ready to go. Get broke again.